So in the fourth subtask of the JSON CSV converter project, we are going to be writing the read CSV function. We have done this for read JSON. Similarly, we'll be doing it to the read CSV. So the objectives are we have to read and parse CSV files. So over here, we're going to use csv.dictReader to read instead of using json.load. And then we're going to collect all the rows into a list of dictionaries and we're going to return the list. And if we have errors, we have to handle it, printing out error reading CSV file. And we have our expected output down here. Now coming to the code. First we're going to import the CSV model from Python. Then we're going to define the read CSV function, taking file path as an input. So we have try and except over here, which is used to handle error cases. So what we are going to do is we're going to try whatever code is present in the try block. And if we get an error from that, we're going to run the code in the except block. So first we're going to be opening the file from which we need to read in read-only mode. The R over here stands for read-only mode. Now over here we are creating a reader object using the csv.dictReader, taking file as an input. Now we will initialize an empty list called data. And now we have a for loop over here saying for row in reader. So in the reader object, for every row present in the reader object, we're going to append that to the data list. So here we are going to append the rows to the data list. And then we're going to return the data list. So the data list will simply be a list of dictionaries. That is, each dictionary will be a row in the particular CSV, and we're going to store that in a list. And in the except block, if you get an error, we're going to print out error reading CSV file. In the main function, we're going to give the file path, and then we're going to call the read CSV function, and we're going to print the data which we get from the read CSV function. Let's just run this code once. So you can see we have successfully read the CSV file and got it as a list of dictionaries over here. Let's submit it to see if we've passed all test cases. So we've passed all 3 test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.